Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance into your bank account, right? So we will go into the Amazon app, and here we have to click on these three lines which is on bottom right side corner, and after that we have to click on Amazon Pay, right? And after that we have to scroll a little bit, and here you can see that is gold vault. We will click on this, and here you can see there is an option to buy gold. So you can buy the gold from the Amazon gift card, and you can just enter the amount and whatever the amount you have in your Amazon gift card, and after buying the gold you can just click on the sell gold, and here you can sell the gold. And just remember that when you're selling the gold, do add your bank account, so after that the money can be transferred into your bank account, right? So this is the only option or the only feature we can just get to transfer Amazon gift card into our bank account, right? And there is a no direct feature in the Amazon. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video useful, and if you found it then do like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.